How to access the Osher video library. Osher records most of our lectures for posting in our online video library. This allows members who miss a class or who are unable to physically attend to watch lectures on their personal computers, tablets, or home televisions, if appropriately configured. Type in olli.ucsd.edu into your web browser. Then click Video Access. Scroll down and you are presented with two options. Click Log in here if you are already a member, or click Become a member if you are not a member. The Osher Video Library is restricted to Osher members. Click Log in here and type in your username, which is your email address, and your passcode. If you need to set up a passcode because you did not register for a membership online, please go to myextension.ucsd.edu and click Get Password under the Login button. After you are able to log in, you will be taken to the video library. Here, the recorded lectures are updated weekly. Videos are also organized by subject categories and organized by month and year. If you need further assistance, contact Osher through email at olli@ucsd.edu or call 858-534-7030.